Video Pals, Video Pals, is me for the second day in a row. Dear Dr. Pepper, why 57 flavors? That is too many. That is my haiku for my own challenge. I also made a haiku for something that I hate. Dear onions, you suck. I won't cry as I kill you. Please get off my food. I hope all of your weekends were lovely. I hope you are enjoying your Labor Day. If you get it off, I, like always, am studying. For the first couple weeks of school, haven't quite been studying as hard as I should have been. And so with an exam this Friday, I have to kind of lock it up this week. One thing I did do this weekend was completely catch up on Doctor Who. I only started at the 9th Doctor season, so I haven't seen the way back when Doctors, but I am officially caught up. Next week when the new episode comes out, I can actually watch it. Such a good show! Lorena, please let us all know when you get your copy of Paper Towns, and then we can start our book club. Are you guys participating in the Great Gatsby book club with John? I haven't read it yet. I read it in high school, but I don't remember it. I haven't reread it yet. So I might be reading that at the same time as I'm rereading Paper Towns. Our other agenda for the week is to figure out a punishment for Craig. That's all I have for you today, guys. My mind is too preoccupied with studying, so back to that. Craig, I will see you tomorrow.